Planet Earth is full of life. We see plants, animals, and insects all around us. But have you ever thought about the things that make life possible? We call these abiotic factors. These are the non-living parts of the environment, like sunlight, water temperature, air, soil, and minerals. Though we might not always see them, they are always there, playing a crucial role in the circle of life. Imagine a beautiful garden. You see colorful flowers, buzzing bees, and maybe even a curious squirrel. Now, imagine the same garden without sunlight. The flowers would wilt, the bees wouldn't have nectar to collect, and the squirrel would struggle to find food. Sunlight is an abiotic factor, and without it the garden wouldn't be the same. The same goes for all the other abiotic factors. Water, temperature, air, and soil all work together to create a delicate balance that supports life as we know it. Just like we need food and water to survive, plants and animals need these non-living elements to thrive in their environments. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, abiotic factors shape the world around us. They determine which plants and animals can live in a particular place, influencing their behavior, their food sources, and even their appearance. Understanding these factors is key to understanding the intricate web of life on our planet. Let's dive deeper into the world of abiotic factors and see how each one plays a unique role. Water is essential for all living things. Plants need it to grow, animals need it to drink, and even we humans are mostly made of water. Temperature is another crucial factor. Some animals, like polar bears, are adapted to survive in freezing temperatures, while others, like lizards, thrive in the heat. Air provides us with the oxygen we need to breathe. But did you know that air is also important for plants? They use carbon dioxide from the air to make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. And let's not forget about soil. Soil provides a home for plants to grow their roots and access nutrients. It also supports a whole ecosystem of tiny creatures that are vital for a healthy environment. Each of these abiotic factors works together to create the perfect conditions for life to flourish. For example, a rainforest receives a lot of sunlight and rainfall, which creates a warm, humid environment perfect for a wide variety of plants and animals to thrive. But change one of these factors and the whole ecosystem could be affected. Imagine traveling from a scorching desert to a freezing polar region. The abiotic factors in these two environments are vastly different, leading to a fascinating variety of life forms. Deserts receive very little rainfall, so plants and animals that live there have adapted to survive in dry conditions. Cacti, for example, can store water in their stems, while camels can go for days without drinking. In contrast, polar regions are covered in ice and snow for most of the year. Polar bears have thick fur and a layer of blubber to keep them warm, while penguins huddle together for warmth. These adaptations are crucial for their survival in such extreme environments. The type of soil also plays a role in determining which plants and animals can live in a particular place. For example, sandy soil doesn't hold water well, so it's not suitable for plants with deep roots. Clay soil, on the other hand, can become waterlogged, making it difficult for some plants to grow. These are just a few examples of how abiotic factors influence the distribution of life on Earth. Each habitat, from grasslands to coral reefs, has its own unique set of abiotic factors that support a diverse web of life. The Earth's ecosystems are incredibly complex. They rely on a delicate balance of abiotic and biotic factors. Biotic factors are the living things in an environment, like plants and animals. Changes in abiotic factors, even small ones, can have ripple effects throughout the ecosystem, affecting the balance of life. One example of this is drought. When there is a lack of rainfall, water sources dry up, affecting both plants and animals. Plants may wilt and die, leaving animals without food and shelter. This can lead to a decline in animal populations and even extinction in some cases. Climate change is another major threat to ecosystems worldwide. As global temperatures rise, we are seeing more extreme weather events, such as droughts, floods, and heat waves. These events can disrupt the delicate balance of abiotic factors, causing widespread damage to ecosystems and the species that depend on them. It is crucial that we understand the importance of abiotic factors and the role they play in supporting life on Earth. By protecting our environment and addressing issues like climate change, we can help ensure a healthy planet for all living things.